welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. Today I'm going to make chicken curry again. So this is the chicken I've washed and kept. The masalas here I'm going to use. This is green chili, ginger garlic, black pepper, jeera, and this is the potatoes. And next step I will show when I'm making the curry. I hope you all will like it. So if you are new to my channel, please comment, share, subscribe. So come on, let us start the recipe. Friends, this is the dhania patti and tomato which I'm going to make it into a paste and use it in the curry. Friends, now to make the chicken curry I'm using mustard oil. You can see this mustard oil. Once this mustard oil turns hot, I will put in the onions. Friends, this is the cut up onions. You can see about 4 to 5 onions I have cut up. So let the oil turn hot. Friends, I am putting in the onions now. This is the bay leaves, tej patta. This also I have put in. Now I will let the onions fry brown. Then I will show you the next step. Friends, you can see the onion has turned golden brown. Now I will put in the salt. Here goes the chicken. And here goes the potato. I will mix it well. Friends, now I will let this chicken fry along with the onions. Friends, this is the masala paste which I have made. Now I will put some turmeric powder. This is red chili powder. And this is the dhania powder. I will mix all this well. Once the chicken is fried with the onions, I will use this masala. Friends, I have made the paste of the tomato and dhania patti also. You can see here. This also I will use. Friends, you can see the chicken and the onions are fried up. And the potatoes also. Friends, now I will put in the masala. हाँ नामाई दे भालो होगा. This is the masala which I have put in. Friends, now I will add the chicken masala and the garam masala. This is the chicken masala. And this is the garam masala. Friends, now I'll let the masala and the chicken fry nicely. I will let this fry now. Friends, the masala is frying along with the chicken and the potato. Friends, the masala and the chicken is browned nicely. You can see how nice and yummy tasty is looking. This chicken curry also is I'm making in my own style. Now goes the dhania patti and the tomato paste. Friends, now I will add the water. I have added the water. Now I will cover it up and let the curry cook. Cover it up and let it cook. Friends, you can see the chicken curry is cooked up. The potatoes also are cooked up. You can see it's cooked up fully. And the curry also is ready. Thanks for watching my video.